Okay, you guys, welcome back. I can't wait to do some math with y'all. All right, so yesterday we did multiplying, dividing rational numbers. Today we are going to be kicking it up a notch. We're going to be working on order of operations and prime factorization. So go ahead, fold your paper into 4. Put your name, your teacher's name, and do not forget, you need to turn this in. Okay. So I told you we're doing order of operation, right? Well, I have a song for you. Kind of like a brain dump song. So the order of operation. Parentheses and brackets, that's where you start. Exponents are next. Repeating is not hard. Multiply, divide from left to right. Add and subtract from left to right. So parentheses and brackets, that's where you start. Exponents are next. Repeating is not hard. Multiply, divide from left to right. Add and subtract from left to right. So we have our first problem here. We have 12 parentheses 2 plus 3 squared divided by 3 times 5. I am going to write my PEMDAS, GEMDAS, whatever you want to call it. All right. Parentheses and brackets, that's where you start. So we're going to go ahead and start here. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. And we're going to bring everything else down. Exponents are next. Repeating is not hard. So that's my exponent here. That's 5 times 5. What's 5 times 5? 25. So we have 12 times 25 divided by 3 times 5. Multiply, divide from left to right. So we're going to go from left to right. So 25 times 12. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Placeholder. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. Add that up. So we have 300 divided by 3 times 5. Remember, we go from left to right. So we're going to continue going this way. 300 divided by 3 is 100. So 100 times 5 gets me 500. I do not need to add or subtract because I have no addition or subtraction. The next problem is telling me I need the prime factorization of 156. So remember, prime factorization means that you're going to be making a multiplication problem with only primes. So my key primes are going to be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Those are my key primes. So if I have 156, I'm going to go ahead and break that down. Well, if I notice, I can multiply that by 2 because it's even. Okay. So I'm going to break this down because it's also even. So 2 times something is going to get me 78. I'm going to circle my 2. So far I have 2 2's. I can break down 39 because 13 times 3 gets me 39. I am done. So my answer would be 2 squared times 3 times 13. Because I had 2 2s, I have 1 3, and I have 1 13. Okay, y'all are going to do a problem. Y'all are going to do 3 squared minus 4 squared plus 12. Remember, it has multiple operations, so we're going to be doing GMDOS. Parentheses and brackets, that's where we start. If you notice, I do not have any of that. So you're going to start with exponents. Go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and check our answer. So this is my first exponent. That's 3 times 3, which will get me 9. Okay, this is my next one. So that's 4 times 4, and that's 16. So 9 minus 16 plus 12. All my exponents are done. I do not have multiplication or division. I have add and subtract, and I'm going to go from left to right. So 9 minus 16. So that's saying I have 9 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have 16 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, remember, a positive and negative cancel out. So positive, negative, 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 positive, negative. If you notice, I have 8. Wait a minute, there's something wrong here. Oh, positive, negative. I have 7 negative. So negative 7 plus 12. They are different signs. So remember, I have 7 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 12 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A positive and a negative zero out. So my answer would be a positive 5. You got it without the tiles? That is awesome. I personally need the tiles, but if you can do it without it, more power to you. Keep it going. All right, last one. They want us to get the prime factorization of 108. Remember my key primes. It's 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So we're going to break down 108 to only its primes. So I can multiply 2 numbers to get 108. I can do 12 times 9. But 12 and 9 are not in my prime only, so I need to break those down. So what 2 numbers can you multiply to get 12? 3 times 4. 3 is prime, very good, but it's 4 prime. Nope, I have to break that down. So by 2 and 2. So far, I have 2 2s and 1 3. Now I need to break down 9. 9 is not a composite, or 9 is not prime. It's composite. So I need to break that down. I get 3 times 3. Those are both primes. So if I notice, I have 3 3s and 2 2s. This would be my multiplication problem. All right, you guys, you have an exit ticket to do, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.